That makes sense. So this is what I told the student. I said, this is not fair to me. Because they were lying on the internet. He told you to not put it in when it was due. Yes, you did it after, and you just want me to drop everything and blame. But I said, and then today I tried to do that, but I couldn't do it because they so bad.